So what we have here is the AK66 PubG Mobile Controller. Does this improve your gaming skills? We're here to test that with this video. If you are new to the channel, as you can tell, I do unboxing videos. So if you're interested in content like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Also, we have this product right here. It is a cotton for your thumb so that it will be much more smoother when you tap. So it's perfect for people who have sweaty hands just like me. Doesn't have any tape, of course. This is a very cheap product. It's broken. Packaging 100%. So this is it. Yeah, on the camera. So you have two buttons over here that you use your middle finger and two buttons on top that you use your pointing finger. Over here we have cotton for your thumbs. Okay, so very simple packaging over here, just cardboard to hold this. Very nice. Okay, so gonna try this on. It feels kind of weird having these on your thumbs. So I'm just gonna get my phone, test this product out. Be back in a second. So here we go. I got my phone. So let's open up COD Mobile. I'm just gonna adjust the settings real quick. So if you want to tap the screen, you can just move these things up so it wouldn't be on the way. I forgot to wear the one for the thumbs. Oh, no. Where, bro? Let's go. No. What the fuck? Bro. Okay. Ah! No. Okay. I lived. So I do have sweaty thumbs, so these things really help. But for the actual controller, you have to tap it very hard for it to be able to read. So that is a bit of an issue for me. No. There are days where I feel like I'm a bot. So I'm done with that. So did it improve my gaming experience? Here's the thing, alright. It definitely gives you a bit of an advantage compared to the people who don't use these because you use like 6 fingers instead of 2. Personally, I just use my thumbs to play this. I don't use like the other people who are using the spider thingy. The controls, something you have to get used to. The only issue for me is you kind of have to tap a little bit hard for it to be able to recognize the button so that it will press fire or crouch or something like that. You can press it as hard as you can and you won't be able to damage your screen because it does have the rubber things. These ones really help because I have very sweaty fingers, so it does kind of stick to the screen. You understand what I'm saying? It is plastic, by the way. This aluminum. This also is aluminum. This silicone over here, the ones that will tap your screen. And then these ones on the side, the actual body of it is plastic. It does have grips over here, but I don't see much used to that because I don't really hold it with that side, only hold this part over here. It is adjustable, so it works with any type of phone that you have. It has rubber padding over here, and here, so that your phone wouldn't be scratched on the side. And it is pretty secure, as you can see. Nothing for the side. It does secure your phone, it wouldn't fall down. It doesn't leave any markings on my phone, so that's nice. So my rating for this product is about 7 out of 10. If you find this video useful, you can thank me by subscribing to my channel and leaving a like on this video. If you have any suggestions on what I should unbox next, you can comment that down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.